Planning an international trip? Hold up. There are a few things you need to know before you step foot on that plane. From avoiding the dreaded jet lag to staying powered up overseas, these 25 travel tips will seriously upgrade your vacation. Let's make sure your next adventure is stress-free, smart, and totally unforgettable. I've traveled to over a dozen countries, mostly with just a carry-on. And as a pilot's wife, I've picked up some insider travel hacks most tourists miss. So grab a notepad, or better yet, just hit the like button so you can find this later. And let's dive in. Always check the weather, not just for the week, but daily forecasts. Pack outfits based on your excursions. No one wants to hike in sandals or dine in muddy sneakers. Compression socks for long flights. Lifesaver. Trust me. Bring a portable charger, it must fit in your crossbody bag. Pack multiple adapters and a converter if you're using heat tools like curling irons. 1 pair of waterproof shoes, minimum. Weather lies. Be ready. Wear light layers on planes. Temps swing from freezing to stuffy real quick. Pack a breathable pajama shirt. Many foreign hotels lack airflow. Ditch bulky sweaters. Go for warm, layerable pieces instead. Use compression cubes for dirty laundry on the way home. Tide sink packets are your best friend. Or just use hotel shampoo in a pinch. Carry a slash-proof crossbody bag. Anti-theft equals less stress. Monochrome outfits make for an easy day-to-night transition for restaurants. Know the local rules for medications. Some prescriptions aren't legal abroad, so always check. Ask your doctor for blister packs instead of bulky bottles. And don't forget to register your trip with the STEP program. If there's unrest, the United States government can contact you. Save the emergency number for the country you're visiting. It's not always 911. Also, save the location of your nearest U.S. embassy, just in case. Declare all food, even your epic cheese haul from Amsterdam. Customs is no joke. When you land, grab snacks for late-night jet lag cravings. Think bread and cheese, not minibar chips. Beat jet lag by staying in daylight as long as possible on day 1. Add eye drops and thick lotion to your flight pouch. The plane dries you out fast. Get global entry. It includes TSA PreCheck and saves hours on re-entry. Download the CBP Mobile Passport app. It can shorten your customs wait sometimes. Do a food tour on your first full day. You'll learn what's safe, what's delicious, and get local insight fast. Which of these tips was new to you? Or do you have a travel hack I didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. And if you want a video on exactly what I packed for my 10-day Europe trip in just a carry-on, let me know below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.